What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a towel holder. Very interesting. It actually looks bigger on paper, you guys. I'm not going to lie. So I might have to get another one. When I was shopping for this one, I did not look at the dimensions. But if you look at the picture, pictures can be deceiving, you guys. All right. So I will be purchasing another one. One thing I can say is that this is heavy. It feels like metal. Waterproof and rust resistant. So this is a cast iron model tree. This is insane. They give you screws and they give you anchors. So we already have screws and anchors, but it's good to have these. And it's also always good to screw onto your studs. All right. If you could find a stud, get yourself a stud finder, screw onto the studs. That's the best thing you can do, you guys. Screwing onto the drywall by itself with the anchors is fine, but it's just best to go ahead and just hit the wood, you guys. So look for a stud if you can. If you can't, then use your anchors. Definitely use your anchors. If you don't use anchors, you will be sorry. All right. So I will install this so y'all can see how to install it, just for people that don't know how. You may need to get yourself a drill gun and stuff like that. But we will be installing this, and stay tuned. All right, you guys. So we are about to install our little wooden towel holder for the bathroom. Pretty cool. Once again, from Temu. I think it's Temu. Yeah, I believe it's Temu or TikTok Shop. One of them. Link will be in the description. If you actually bring it to the bathroom, it's not really that small. All right. So I think I'm going to get at least like 2 or 3 more of these so I can hang it up to have 3 separate ones. I like the wood. I like the wooden feel because this bathroom is more like a farmhouse bathroom. This is the bathroom I've been working on, and I'm blah, blah, blah. Y'all just want to see me install this. So what you need to do is grab your product. They do come with screws and anchors, but in my situation, I am going to use drywall screws, and we are going to look for the stud. Okay. So we're just going to leave it like that. All right. So we have a stud here, and then a stud all the way over here. So definitely we going right here. All right. And I see the previous holes that I have here already because we used to have something else here. But now we are going back to the basics. All right. So let me see if I could put this in a previous hole, if that will work. And perfect. Now just make it straight. I do have a leveler, but this is like wooden shape. Like, it's not really like a straight line. So just make it straight as possible. And then, all right, so I didn't do it real tight. All right, I didn't want to break this thing, even though it's cast iron. But here it goes. It is up here, and it actually looks pretty good, you guys. I want to get another one. I want to get something different too, but I want to get the same style. I think this is pretty cool, like a little wooden thing. Maybe the other one could be a little bit longer, and that will be it. So let me show y'all what it looks like, in off of the tripod. All right, you guys, and here you go. Once again, these are regular drywall screws. You can go to Lowe's and get yourself a nice little box of them, and just have it around in the house. And voila. Perfect. All right. And if you want to hang another towel on this side, you can. Or if you just want to hang the whole towel up like that, you can. But however you want to hang it up, this is pretty cool, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I want to get like 2 more. So I will be doing more reviews. I will get a couple of more of these, preferably the wood style. Once again, when you back out of the bathroom, you see it's more of a farmhouse look, So I like the farmhouse style. That's my style. However style you want to do your house, that's on you. But I actually like how this popped up in my feed. It's almost like it was meant to be, you guys. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.